Mastering the road beyond driver's ed. Advanced skills for safe driving. In a bid to enhance road safety and reduce traffic accidents, driving experts are urging new drivers to look beyond basic driver's education courses. These introductory classes, while crucial for obtaining a license, often fall short in equipping motorists with the advanced skills necessary for navigating complex driving scenarios. Industry professionals emphasize that mastering defensive driving techniques, understanding vehicle dynamics, and practicing situational awareness are critical components of becoming a truly proficient driver. Evidence suggests that new drivers who engage in additional training programs after earning their initial licenses significantly improve their ability to handle emergencies, such as sudden stops or adverse weather conditions. Organizations like the National Safety Council have introduced advanced courses focusing on these aspects, which include hands-on experience with emergency maneuvers and skid recovery exercises. The benefits of such training extend beyond individual safety. They contribute to overall community welfare by reducing the likelihood of collisions and subsequent traffic congestion. Moreover, seasoned instructors advocate for continuous education even years after one first gets behind the wheel. They note that regular refresher sessions can help drivers stay up to date with evolving traffic laws and technological advancements in modern vehicles. As roads become increasingly populated and automobiles more sophisticated, maintaining an ongoing commitment to driver education stands as a pillar of responsible road use. Ultimately, mastering the road extends far beyond passing a test. It's about fostering lifelong habits that prioritize safety and competence on every journey taken.